أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Page 5, line number 1. From Nun Kha.
Noon Kha, Ya Ha, Ba Jim, Ya Mim, Ba Mim, Noon Mim, Ta Mim, Tha Mim, Ya Ya.
No.
No,
Before
Ba
it.
Ya.
Ba ya first,
Ba
after that
Ya.
ya.
Ya. Noon Ya. Ta Ya. Tha Ya. Noon Ba Lam. Noon Ba Lam. Ta Noon Ta Noon Lam. Ba Ta Lam. Ya.
No, this line first letter please again.
Okay, third line, first letter.
Yeah.
Noon.
No.
Noon Ya.
Okay.
Oh. Noon Ya. Ta Ya. Tha Ya. Noon Ba Lam. Ta Noon Lam.
Nice.
Noon Ya Lam. I'm sorry. Ba Ya Lam. Fourth line, first letter.
Ba is coming in alphabets. How many styles?
Ba, how many styles?
I was told you ba in without any dots also, and with 2 dots in bottom side also.
Oh.
Yeah. One ya is with 2 dots, one ya is without any dot. Okay, I have told you already.
Okay, so basically I forgot that.
No issue. Please continue.
Okay, so we have ba then. So now we have ba with 2 dots.
Ba have 1 dot bottom side.
And then we have ba, so it's ba ya lam.
Nice.
Ba ya lam. Then we have ya ta lam.
Ya have bottom side dot and ta upper side dot. Okay, it rule don't forget.
Correct.
Yeah.
All right, so it's ya, right? The first letter is ya.
From this line, first letter ba ya lam, after that ya ta lam.
Yes, ya ta lam. Okay, then we have tha lam. Tha lam. Noon ba noon. Ba noon noon.
Nice.
Then we have ta ya noon.
Nice.
Ya ta noon. Tha noon. Jim. Ha. Ho.
Stop boss. Stop. Yakfi. Sheikh Yakfi. Yeah, from the beginning again. Start for page number 5.
Okay, page number 5 from the beginning.
Yeah, beginning.
Noon ha. Ya ha. Ba jim. Ta mim.
No.
Ba mim.
Fourth letter.
Mim.
Fourth letter, first line.
Ya mim. Ya mim.
Okay, nice.
Okay. Noon mim. noon meme. Noon meme. No, it's ba meme. Ba meme, noon meme.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay. Last letter, first line, last letter. Ba
Ba
meme.
meme.
Ba meme. First line, last letter.
Yeah, ba meme. Then we have noon meme.
Nice.
Ta meme. Ta meme. Ta meme. Ba ya. Ta ba ya. Ya ya. Ba ya ya. Noon ya.
Noon ya. Okay.
Ta ya. Ta ya. Noon ba lam.
Good.
Ta noon lam. Ba ya lam. Ya ta lam. Ta sa lam. Noon ba noon.
Nice.
Ba noon noon. Ta ya noon. Ta noon.
Okay.
Ya ta noon. Ya ta noon.
This line from the beginning. This line.
Okay. Stay there.
Yeah.
Ta ya noon. Ya ta noon. Ta ya noon. Ya ta noon.
Good.
Sa noon. Jim. Please let me go until I can, and then listen, I go until we can, but we practice only 4 lines, inshallah.
Yeah, only 4 lines for you. I was told you it's 28 alphabets, but in different style. We were told you will come inshallah in different style. It's dash letter. It dash letter alphabets letters, okay, but in different styles, different shapes.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Inshallah. Okay, we have Jim ha. Jim ha. We have Jim ha ha. Jim ha ha. Then we have ha tha.
Okay, no, don't read next. Please stay on this 5 to 6 lines. We will continue from this inshallah. After that we will continue after that inshallah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now
go back, reverse, go to beginning.
Oh, I go reverse from ha.
From the
go from ha.
Yeah, good, mashallah.
Ha, ha, jim, sa noon, ya ta noon, ta ya noon, ba noon noon ba noon, sa lam, ya ta lam, ba ya lam, ta noon lam, noon ba lam, sa meme.
No.
Ta meme.
No.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Sa ya. Ta ya. Noon ya. Sa ya. Ta ya. Noon ya. Ya. Ba ya.
And see, look, focus on the ya. One ya is with 2 dots bottom side, and one ya without any dot.
Yep, that's the head of a ya.
Ya have 2 dots in bottom side, and ya also without any dot. Ya ended coming in 2 different shapes. I was told this rule in last time.
Yes. I remember. That's why I know it. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah,
All
continue.
right. Next. Ba ya. Tha mim. Ta mim.
Hmm.
Noon mim.
Hmm.
Ba mim.
Hmm.
Ya mim.
Huh.
Ba jim.
Hmm.
Ya ha. Noon ha.
MashaAllah. If you like, then go back. Inshallah, it's because it's will use in Quran. It's all alphabet. Yeah, I need practice. I need you expert. Okay, in this.
Alhamdulillah.
Please go back to page 4.
Oh,
Reverse.
okay.
Go reverse.
Page 4 reverse.
Yeah.
Okay. Page 4 reverse.
Hmm.
Okay. Ta ha.
Hmm.
Tha jim. Tha sin.
Hmm.
Ta sin. Noon sin.
Hmm. Good.
Ya sin.
Yasin.
Ya sin.
Surah available in
That
Quran. Yasin. That name surah? Yasin.
Yasin.
Yasin wal Quran al
Yasin.
Hakim. Yeah.
Yasin al-Quran al-Hakim.
Yeah, please continue.
Yasin al-Quran al-Hakim. Alright. Ba
MashaAllah.
sin. Ba sin. Tha. Tha alif.
Hmm.
Ta alif. Ya alif.
Yeah,
Sorry.
live. Yeah, have downside 2
Sorry.
dot and ta have
Yeah.
2 dot but upper side.
Okay. Ya alif. We have ta alif. I was looking at the ta alif before. I didn't look at this one. I'm sorry.
What difference between ta and ya and dots different? Tell me now.
The ta has 2 dots on top.
Hmm.
Tha has 3 dots on top. Ya has 2 dots on the below and also no dots.
Ya have 2 dots in which side?
Down, down, down.
Down side. Okay, nice. Go back, please.
All right. Tha alif, ya alif, ta alif, noon alif, ba alif, ya, noon, tha, ta, ba, ta, kaf, tha, ba, kaf, ta,
Okay, kaf.
kaf, alif.
Kaf alif. Okay, it's 3 kaf styles. 3 styles in kaf. Okay, kaf in S styles also. Okay, and before this, focus on the second kaf and third kaf is different from this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, focus.
Okay, so I
You
think
will
that is
see.
good.
You will see before line more different styles kaf.
Okay, yes, I'm gonna see more. I'm gonna see for sure. More.
Yeah. Please continue. But you are a good, alhamdulillah. I am really happy because you are understanding and good reading, alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, quwwata illa billah. MashaAllah, continue.
I try my best, brother.
Alhamdulillah, Allah bless you, brother.
Okay, now. All right, which one we going now? Actually,
Hmm.
which one we going now? You wanted to continue, no?
Oh, continue. No issue.
Okay. 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 Now, all right. We have ta kaf tha,
Hmm.
ba kaf ta,
Hmm.
kaf lam. I'm
Mm-hmm.
sorry, kaf alif.
Kaf alif.
Kaf alif.
Okay, no issue. It's lam style letter, but it's alif. It's not
Yeah.
lam.
Yes.
You don't forget, okay? Yeah, in this
Yes.
page, kaf lam, no, kaf alif.
Kaf alif. Kaf alif. Then we have kaf alif, kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf, ba lam ba,
Hmm.
alif lam.
Lam
I'm
alif.
sorry. Lam alif.
First lam purple,
Lam alif.
alif is black. After.
Yes. Lam alif. Then we'll have lam ha.
Nice. It's lam style, but it's a very, very difficult style of lam. But no issue, inshallah. You expert in this, alhamdulillah.
No,
You
no.
understand already. Lam ha, okay.
Is that good, brother?
We are reading only broken letters now, okay? After that, inshallah, when we will start Quran, then easy. Then we'll easy, inshallah. Don't
Inshallah.
don't worry, inshallah. Okay, continue. Lam ha.
Am I good, brother? Wallahi, I'm good or no? Do I
Mashallah.
read good?
Yeah, you are reading not good. You are reading very, very, very good, mashallah.
Barakallah.
Allah bless you.
All right. We have, alhamdulillah, may Allah bless you together with me, inshallah. Then we have lam alif again. Then we have lam alif, ba alif, lam alif, alif. Tabarakallah.
Allahu Akbar. Mashallah. Congratulations. Mashallah. La quwwata illa billah. Brother, you are a very, really, you are a really good, mashallah. Next, inshallah, we will continue tomorrow.